A door draft seal, also known as a weather strip, is the perfect way to stop water, dust, pests and drafts from coming in under the door. Stopping this air movement also makes your heating and air conditioning a lot more effective in your home, saving you money. These Trojan draft seals work on inward opening doors and are really easy to install. What you will need is a draft seal kit, and that comes with all the screws and the stopper, a hacksaw, a utility knife, measuring tape and a pencil, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first step is to measure the width inside the frame. Now we can measure and cut the draft seal to that length. So I'll remove the rubber strip, cut the aluminium with the hacksaw, and the rubber with the utility knife for a clean finish. Now to install it onto the door. So with the door in the closed position, we need to measure up off the ground to find the height of the strip. For this seal, 44mm on either side is a good height. Now I can hold the top of the seal on the lines and mark the screw holes underneath. My screw locations are marked on the door, and because the holes in the seal are slotted, I don't have to hold the seal in place while putting the screws in. I'll drive them in halfway and then slide the seal into place before tightening the screws to secure. Next, I need to push the mechanism down into its sealed position. Then I can place the roller on the door frame and secure it with the longer screw. And remember, this must be done on the lock side of the frame for the seal to work. And what's nice is that little stopper is cam-shaped, so I can make fine adjustments if the tension on the seal is too high or low. Now to test. When it's open, the seal lifts, and when closed, the stopper pushes the seal onto the floor. Job done, and the bottom of this door is sealed from the elements. Now remember, everything I used is available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more how-tos just like this one, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.